Since January 20, 2023, our system ranks Helbiz as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.354. If you were following our analysis, you would have had an amazing gain of 12.91% since we first told you to buy Helbiz 8 days ago. This is an average return of 1.61% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Helbiz, our last headline reads, Helbiz Incorporated stock price fell more than -8% Tuesday, closing at $0.230. The Helbiz Incorporated stock price fell by -8% on the last day, Tuesday, January 31, 2023, from $0.250 to $0.230. It has now fallen 7 days in a row. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 9.78% from a day low at $0.225 to a day high of $0.247. The price has fallen in 8 of the last 10 days but is still up by 67.88% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -105 million shares, and in total, 41 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $9.40 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $4.42, and the lowest price was $0.111. Right now the price is 94.8%, or $4.19, below 52-week high, and 99.45%, or $41.65, below all-time high September 21, 2021, where the price hit $41.88. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -2.36% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -53.09% and 80.42%. The 12-month trend indicates a -90.45% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -100% and -85.58%. This equals a price between $0 and $0.0332 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Helbiz stock received a general neutral rating. The analysts give PE ratio a neutral and price to book a neutral rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been found for Helbiz. The Helbiz Incorporated stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock, giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $0.311. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $0.182. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, January 23, 2023, and so far it has fallen -46.01%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 209 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 112 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Helbiz. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $0.218 and $0.216. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Helbiz Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $0.218. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $0.216 and $0.204. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $0.0220 between high and low, or 9.78%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 22.75%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Helbiz. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Helbiz currently has a price-earning ratio of -0.0986. A negative high price-to-earnings ratio means the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even the most established companies experience down periods, which may be due to environmental factors that are out of the company's control. However, companies that consistently show a negative price-to-earnings ratio are not generating sufficient profit and run the risk of bankruptcy. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Helbiz meets first resistance at $0.250. If you do not hold Helbiz shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Helbiz finds first level of support at $0.218, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Helbiz is neutral. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On January 3, 2023, Palella Salvatore made an inside buy of 650,000 of Class A common stock. On December 29, 2022, Palella Salvatore made an inside buy of 1,568,249 of Class A common stock. On November 21, 2022, Palella Salvatore made an inside buy of 4,019,293 of Class A common stock. On November 14, 2022, Palella Salvatore made an inside buy of 155,530 of Class A common stock. On November 14, 2022, Profumo Giulio made an inside buy of 51,498 of Class A common stock. Based on the 48 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 94.780. In total, the insiders bought 14,983,393 and sold 803,213 shares in the last 48 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $0.217, minus 5.84%. This stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 6 days ago. Is Helbiz stock a buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a falling trend, we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Wednesday 1st, we expect Helbiz to open up $0.0040 and start trading at $0.234. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to